Marvel refrigerator model MP30RA2LP repairs. Marvel 30-inch counter-depth all-refrigerator column with 18.4 cubic feet capacity, glass shelves, left hinge, automatic defrost, dynamic cooling technology, LED lighting, Star K certified in P repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Marvel manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Marvel appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Unit does not operate. Lack of power to the unit or display. Check power to the appliance and power at the main power board. Display blank. Lack of power, display off, faulty display. Attempt to turn on display, check for incoming power to appliance and display. Compartment temperature to cold.